Hi, this is David Shapiro. At this point, you've likely reached out to my office and you may very well have your first consultation set up with my firm. At that consultation or case evaluation, you'll either be meeting with myself or a trusted member of my team. The meeting will be entirely confidential. What you say to us will not leave our office. If you're referred to us by another attorney or a friend of the firm, we will not share your information with that other attorney or that referral source in any way, shape, or form without your permission. The purpose of the consultation and case evaluation is for you to come to the office, for you to feel if you're comfortable with us, and for us to feel if we're comfortable with you moving forward. In all likelihood, we're going to want to discuss what you believe happened, what you believe the police reports will say, what you believe the alleged victim, if there is a victim in this case being alleged, would say if we were there interviewing them. And we want you to bring a couple of things to that meeting. One is, first and foremost, we want you to bring an open mind, because we know that people have certain preconceptions or misconceptions about attorneys and attorneys' offices when charged with the crime. So we want you to come in there understanding that our job in this is to evaluate and get as much information as possible. So we ask that you don't be reluctant to give us that information, because we need that information in order to evaluate the case to quote a fair and an accurate fee for our services. When you come into the office, we ask that you bring any bail paperwork you have. If you've been arrested, you should have a bail slip, which will show your bail amount, the charges you were booked into jail on, as well as any future court dates. If you have a citation from a traffic ticket or something like that where you were cited or released, we'd ask that you bring that. If you happen to have your discovery, police reports, all that information, if your case is currently ongoing, then we would ask that you bring that or send a copy to our office in advance of your meeting, so we can be most prepared when you come in and meet with us. And what you'll find is when you meet with either myself or a staff member is that we may not be the cheapest. I guarantee you, we're not going to be the cheapest attorney you're probably going to meet with. We might not be the most expensive. We might be. I don't know. But what I can guarantee you is you're going to be handled with class, you're going to be handled with professionalism, and that's nothing pretty much less than what you should expect when interviewing with the criminal defense attorney or their firm. We look forward to having you come into our office for a free consultation. There is no obligation to that consultation. If you hire us, fantastic. I look forward to representing you and working with you in the future. If you don't hire me, like I've said previously, we wish you all the best moving forward. We hope you made a right choice, and we're always here for you if you need something in the future.